How to turn off location on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can turn off location on your iPhone. It's a very easy and simple process. To learn it, you have to watch this video till the very end. First of all you need to do, you have to open your iPhone settings. Go ahead and open your iPhone settings. And once you are on your iPhone settings, now all you got to do, you have to scroll down a little bit, and here you will get privacy and security. Tap on here, and from the privacy and security you have to tap on location services. Tap on here, and from here you can control your location access on particular app. For example, I wanna disable my location on Facebook. Tap on Facebook and select never. And from now on, Facebook will never be able to access your location. And if you wanna disable your location completely, then go back, and at the top you will get location services, disable this toggle, and then tap on turn off. We are done. From now on, the location of your iPhone is completely disabled. Following this simple process, you can also disable location services on your iPhone. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.